Is there a way to play Spotify in the background when I'm not actively using the app?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle a common question for music lovers. Is there a way to play Spotify in the background when I'm not actively using the app? The answer is yes, and it's pretty simple. We'll guide you through it step by step, ensuring that you'll never miss a beat, even when multitasking.
What does it mean to play Spotify in the background?
Playing Spotify in the background refers to continuing your music playback even when you switch to another app or lock your device. This means that your favorite tunes can keep playing while you're checking emails, browsing social media, or even when your device is in sleep mode.
How can I enable background playback on Spotify?
Now let's get into the details of how you can enable this feature. For most users, Spotify will play in the background by default. However, if you're having trouble with it, there might be a few settings you need to check on your device. On Android devices, 1. Ensure that battery optimization is not affecting Spotify. Go to Settings, Apps, Spotify, Battery, Optimize battery usage. Make sure Spotify is not selected. 2. Check Background Data Usage for Spotify. Navigate to Settings, Apps, Spotify, Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. Ensure that the Allow Background Data Usage option is enabled. On iOS devices, 1. Make sure Background App Refresh is enabled for Spotify. Go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh, Spotify. Make sure this option is turned on. 2. Ensure Spotify isn't being affected by battery settings. Navigate to Settings, Battery Health, Optimized Battery Charging. This should be turned off for Spotify.
What if Spotify still doesn't play in the background?
If you've checked all these settings and Spotify still doesn't play in the background, you might need to reinstall the app. Sometimes, glitches can occur, and a fresh install can usually solve the problem. Always remember to back up your playlists and downloaded music before doing this. So there you have it, folks. These are the steps you can take to ensure your Spotify tunes can accompany you throughout your multitasking or when your device is in sleep mode. Now you can enjoy your favorite music non-stop. We hope this video has been helpful, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep the music playing.